trying to take it to 280. Got orders at 300 and 280. So good morning, good morning, good morning. Glad this freaking stream is working again. They might try to take this to 300 and 280. Definitely see that happening. NQ went on a rip last night, so we got equities. They sold off pretty much all session, kind of a little bit of consolidation before the big drop. I mean, it took a long time. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you're trying to look for something earlier on in the session last night, he's gonna be in it for a while. And then it finally looks like it bottomed out around 3:20 a.m. Hit the bottom, and then a rip back up into the consolidation area before the drop. So NQ, ES, let me see, let me take a look at ES. ES doesn't look as bad as NQ, so if ES pushes, it should take NQ with it. Hold on, let me, this thing. Yeah, NQ looks like it has a lot of resistance up ahead of it, but like I said, if ES pushes, NQ should follow. Looks like ES has a lot of support after making its run up around the 630, 650 area. A lot of support down there. But we'll see what happens in New York Open. Gold, we're back in gold. Yeah, I gotta clean my charts. Nah, you know, I thought when he said that, I was like, it made me think about how a lot of these traders are. Like, they always got something to say, or, you know, you should do it this way. I'm like, it don't matter how you make your money. Like, you could trade trend lines only and still be profitable. Do what works for you. Do what works for you. Like, dude, like, I like this setup. This works for me, so I'm sticking to it. I'm not changing something because somebody else says something. Like, it's funny. I thought that was funny. Gotta clean my charts up. Apparently this is too messy. I'm like, this is too messy for you. Shoot, you don't want to see my trading view chart. You'd be like, what is this? It works for me. I understand it. Morning, good morning. Morning, Alfred, Moxie. And I don't know. Yeah, I'm like, start your own channel and trade your own account. I'm not mad. I just thought it was funny because there's a lot of people out there like that in the trading space. Like, oh, you should do it this way. Why? I'm doing it my way and it works. Do whatever works for you. Make your money. That's the end goal, right? To make money. Yeah, that's funny. Then he tried to hit me with the good luck, bro, blah blah, whatever. I'm like, okay. Thank you. It's all good though. It's all love. I just think it's funny. But yeah, we are back in gold. I drew this little trend line here. Let's see if it respects it. But I think we could see maybe 300 again and maybe 280. 280. There are orders down there. They want to get filled. I just woke up. I opened up TradingView. I saw this. It looked like it was gonna go. I think I was somewhere around here. So I got in on this pump, or what I thought was gonna be, you know, them take it to at least like 350. But then now we're kind of just stair stepping. But if we don't clear 330, basically 330, 335, I'll probably cut this and reposition if it's trying to go back down. Cause I don't care. I'll get in lower down here. I definitely don't want to short gold, especially after looking at all the options. That actually, let me log in to black box stocks and let's look at some gamma levels on GLD. They were buying 410 calls, 415, 405. Like they were going crazy on GLD. So I expect to see a pump back up, but we'll see. Let me see what it is. What it's sitting at right now, pre-market. GLD, there you are. Okay, it's up a little pre-market. It shot up to $4 from $3.96 to $4 pre or after market yesterday. And then right now it's sitting at around basically $3.97. So that's cool. But it shot up to $4, and I think they're gonna probably take it back up there. So we could see a rip on MGC or GC. Alright, let's look at the options. Yeah, super gamma levels, dark pool volume. I want to see it. Gamma exposure, options delta, and I like looking at the options dollar flow, putting that on there. Let's filter expiring today, and we're gonna take it through the end of the month. Save that. So the market, it's not open yet, but once it opens, we'll get to see all the data. See all the data pop up. I don't know, Alfred. I don't know, but I just thought it was funny. I wasn't even tripping on it. I just thought it was funny. I'm like, they're just EMAs. Like, what? You want me to take the EMAs off? Like, this is, to me, this is pretty clean and simple. It's funny. Like, these are my EMAs to kind of give me a clue on which direction it's trending in. And then we got VWAP, of course. The bigger EMAs, the 50 and the 200. I just drew this trend line here just for the heck of it. And my fibs. Fib levels. No, I keep a little RSI indicator down here to see if we're overbought or oversold, and that's it. That's simple to me. But it is what it is. got about 20 seconds to open. Let's see it. I'm curious to see this options flow. All right, we're open.
Yo, what's up, bro?
What up?
Well, that was a little vacay. I felt like I went to hell.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about this entire week.
Oh,
Was in and back and forth in the hospital. Wasn't streaming. Went tilt on like multiple freaking accounts, on funded accounts.
yeah.
Did some things that didn't even make sense. Even though I know that there's a consistency rule. I'm just gonna take this opportunity just to refresh, come back stronger next week. Because yeah. You selling that gold long? I mean, you should be.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. Well, I'm targeting. I'm probably gonna hold this thing all day. I'm targeting like 50, 60. That's what I'm targeting. So I'm holding this shit all day. So I already know that I'm probably gold is gonna grab me by the hands and take me for a ride.
I mean, hey, that's what she does. Like, pumped up all day, literally all day yesterday.
Mm. Damn, gold. Damn.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh shit, I got my skilled and filled apparently.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
isn't
so it came
today?
down.
It's OPEX, right?
Mhm.
OPEX.
Yep.
OPEX.
I mean, if it comes back down, oh my god, no way, not the break even gold. Come on.
No, not my break even. You can't have it.
Oh, come on, bro.
Yeah, it's not that. They probably, they could have closed out. I only see three big orders on and they expire on the 22nd, 24th, and the 29th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now the 31st. We got 397 call, 400 call, 395, 420 call, 420 on the 31st. And that's a sweep. So they put that on multiple exchanges to get that filled.
Oh shit, you learning. Oh, you went through the education tab?
No, I watched their videos.
Gold. What the actual fuck? Gold, come on. God damn.
Yeah, I mean, I was saying before you hopped on that we could probably see like 280. All right, now the calls are coming in. 388 call, 386, 400, 390. Now the flow is coming in.
Yo, don't do me like that. If I knew it was gonna come all the way back down to my break even, I would have took the damn profits. God damn, bro. God damn, gold shit. God. God damn.
Oh shoot.
Dude, I was literally up. Oh, go ahead.
I was gonna say,
Now
what's
it's gonna
up,
come
Cape
stop me
Trader?
out. Man, this shit about to come and stop me out, bro. That's fucking crazy, man. That is absolute craziness.
Get that off.
Fuck! Fuck! Oh my! Fuck!
Woo! Ooh! Gold. Sheesh. That was crazy. Hey, yo. Dang. Dang. She's nasty. Gold is vicious. He's a monster. Woo. All right, where are we at on the okay, it's flushing those gamma levels.
Wow, bro. Wow. Wow.
380 puts. Yo, what y'all doing? 380 puts.
Wow. Well. Wow. Wow, bro.
They know something we don't know. Eesh. Oof. Okay. We might have to if we don't get that pump back up, we're gonna have to reconsider. That's crazy. I mean, that makes sense. This is like our first real pullback in what, like weeks?
Hold on, what the hell just happened? Alright, man, I gotta do it now. Okay. I just locked myself out. Oh my god, no! 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 Okay, this X platform is pissing me off. It is pissing me off, bro. That is crazy, man. That's crazy. All right,
Yeah.
man, I gotta make these settings, man, cause. All right. Because you put a daily profit, it hits the target, and if it pulls back, it closes it. Like, so I'm supposed to have $639 in this account, and right now I only have $590. Yo, that's a whole $40.
They trying to load the puts. 380 puts. That's kind of crazy from where we're sitting at.
I mean, I guess it makes sense because that's like the biggest gamma level. You see it, right?
Shoot, I didn't even go down that low.
Yeah, it's like right there, and it's OPEX too.
I didn't even go down that
Kind of
low.
crazy. Yeah, like the biggest gap levels. It's 380.
Hold on, let me
There's an
switch
order block at 87.
views because it's not showing. There we go. Now it's showing it. I had to go to your custom view to see.
Custom view?
Yeah, you got it custom layout saved.
Do I? Oh.
Yeah, you do.
Man, I've Okay, so over the weekend, I'm gonna definitely have to look at this. I'm gonna get me 2 more accounts on Tradeify. I spent about $500 with them. I was gambling with 2, and I just blew both of them. And I didn't even have to. I was trying to hold it just to pass the account. I was up about 2,700, and this shit drops. But even though I was up 27, actually I probably was up. I probably passed the account. I mean, low key, I passed it if I didn't hit daily loss limit yesterday. But I was trying to get daily loss limit. I had to get my daily loss limit back. So I was in perfectly at 30. Hold on, where did I send you? I was in around like that. I bought the pullback trade. So I bought this. So basically I was in around 302. I was up 30 points, bro. God damn. On 8 contracts. Let me see how much money I would have if I took the profits. 30 points times 8. Yeah, I was up 24. Or then hold on, what was this thing telling me? Damn.
5. The options dollar flow in here. Where's the money at?
Oh no, are you streaming?
Give me the loot.
Or did you able to figure out last night?
Yeah, we got it together so far. I didn't do anything different, so I don't know what the heck was going on, except update my computer.
Yeah, I told you. Yo, Microsoft is getting very intrusive. Like, it's to like that's why a lot of people are going to, well, a lot of the computer heads are going to Linux because like I explained to Smith, but I don't think I talked about it on the stream. Maybe I did, I don't know. But Windows, because of this AI, because they invested so much money in AI, they need data to train their models, and that data has to come from somewhere. So South Korea has this technology where it's always taking screenshots of its citizens, like phones and computers and stuff like that. And Microsoft is now doing exactly the same thing, allegedly. But we don't need the allegedly part, but allegedly. And because they need the data, they need it to train their models. So a lot of your privacy is gone. If you save anything on their platform, it's our data now. It's ours. It's our data now. So, hey, they're gonna force you to update it. So these little these updates to their system, and you'll have no choice but to share your data with them.
In their update release, they probably put like the little terms and conditions in the super fine print, and yeah, we're collecting all your data, we're taking screenshots, we're watching you basically.
Yeah.
But you're not gonna read this, so just sign here. just accept. Just accept. Accept the terms and conditions.
It's like, well, shit. I mean, they're in everything unless, oh, I mean, shit, they're so big of a monopoly. I mean, well, technically they're not a monopoly, but they are, because majority of people are going to use Microsoft products because it's been in the industry for so long. It's too big to be replaced. Linux offers the exact same tool for free, but people are not going to take the time to learn Linux or anything like that. So even there's a version of Linux that operates exactly with the GUI, just like Windows, and people will still go to Windows. So
Oh,
Microsoft
really?
knows this, and that's why they're doing it.
Yeah, I didn't. I mean, because Linux is more. Is it still more like you got to know what the heck you're doing, or is it more user friendly now?
Yeah, a lot of it. So I mean, if we're gonna talk about, so basically Linux is his origins. It's basically everything is done in the command line and in the imagination of the operator. So you didn't have a graphical user interface. All the commands were run, and you just had to know what it was doing, and it would print out the results. I mean, it was just a lot of reading. Uh, but over time, as you would do stuff, you would have a graphic that displayed what was happening, and obviously it's evolved to what it is now, to where we're seeing everything with the graphics and you're not seeing what's going on behind the scenes. Versions of Linux like that, or all versions of Linux are like that. You can do everything in the command line, but it does take a certain expertise to know exactly what you're doing. The normal user does not even know the command line exists. They see a simple command line on their favorite TV or soap, and they're like, "Oh my God, that's hacking." No, all the person is doing is running commands. So I mean, without a graphical user interface. So that's all that is.
Yeah.
Um, and there's different flavors and varieties of Linux. So I mean, it's not hard, but well, it's not hard. But if you're not a computer enthusiast, or if you're not in the field, then it really, yeah. Yeah. And Microsoft knows this. They know that majority of their users are going to be too lazy to switch over to something else because they don't care about their privacy. And yeah.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
Oh, and was someone throwing hate your way,
I
Smith?
mean, I wouldn't even. I don't even know what to call it. I just thought it was funny, and I was thinking about that, and after seeing like so many different traders and a bunch of different traders out there, different styles, it's whatever, right? You trade how you want to trade as long as you making your profit. Who cares? But they just had something to say about cleaning up the charts and something else. I don't know. I was just like,
Oh
oh,
yeah, the chartist, the chart
the,
elitist.
the chart elitist. That's a good way to put it. Yeah, the chart elitist. Yeah, and
Turn your charts, man.
I just thought it was funny because I'm like, to me, this is clean. my trade of 8 chart. I'm like, I've sent you. You see screenshots of my trading view chart. That mess is all over the place. That'd
Yeah.
probably drive him insane. But I'm like, it works for me. That insanity works for me.
Good thing I
So
lost. I mean, lost. Good thing I locked my other accounts out. Good thing. Maybe should I buy another account? Should I buy
Lydia
another
or
account?
breakout upside. Yeah, NQ. Tech. The equity's probably gonna go crazy today. I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Fuck the fact that and then this is something that Smith does constantly. It's like your third time doing this thing in the last couple of months, where you turn a $500 account into what, 5 figures?
Well, I just hit 10K yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
At the close of the market, pretty much. Well, maybe
Yeah.
midday. And then yeah, and then here we are. And I hopped in, yesterday's session. I was in that short for hours. But I wish I would have held it. See, that's the reason I didn't hold it, if I had the experience on gold as I have with NQ, I probably would have held that thing all the way. But since I don't have the experience like that, I was like, I'm up. Let me just close this. Take my money.
Yeah. I mean, if I did the same thing, I would have been up. Yeah, gold is not my mainstay. I only trade Nasdaq for this. Oh shit, I forgot. My bad, guys. My bad. I forgot. I guess y'all guys see me slowly but surely drifting away to gold. And Nasdaq just doesn't do it for me no more. I just don't want to tolerate the bullshit, man. I don't want the bullshit no more.
Yeah. Okay, that's the 50%. And now we gotta draw this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nah, I mean, shit. I mean, hold on. Let me show you the entry that I was in. I thought, like, man, like, come on, gold. Shit. Just do the things I want you to do. Damn it. Man. So this was the entry that I was in. Perfect entry. I'm thinking that, man, there's no way gold is going to come back and stop me out. There's no freaking way. Had a perfect entry, waited for the pullback, didn't get faked out by the short. And then gold does that bullshit, comes back and stops me out. Like, what the hell? Like, what? Like, all right, gold. Wow.
Got a 397 call expiring on the 29th. $735,000 they spent. $397, huh? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 more accounts. I probably might get another account on. No, I'll just keep this account. I'll just get this account. Because I do got one account rebuilding. I know Tradeify made so much money on their 50Ks, $87 for a 50K on the X platform. Yeah, I know they made some money on that. Cause shit, I know I bought me some. All right, so I'm definitely going to buy this pullback on gold. That is for sure. I'm definitely buying the pullback on gold if we get the pullback, because that sweep of liquidity right there, that just shows me that this could potentially be the bottom, or we're about to go up, but it might have to pull back first. So I'm definitely going to go and get in long here at around. But this is definitely lock-in season for me, man. When I go into the gold forums and seeing those guys up like 10, 20, 30K without none of the craziness, it just kind of goes to show that if you're patient with gold, you can make a lot of money. There's this dude had 3 minis on, and he locked in at least 50K based on his screenshot with gold. And these guys are consistently going for big targets, making 20, 30K on gold. And that's where I need to be at. So I'm gonna start locking in with gold, like for real.
Yeah. Lock.
Just imagine making 20K a day.
Yeah.
And shit, what would you do if when your target for 20K hits the first time? What would you do?
Well, you got to lock in that screenshot. You know, that's very important.
Of course, of course, of course. I would judge you if you didn't do that.
But you should probably lock in the screenshot after you take the profit. Bro, in options,
No.
I hated that in options. I would screenshot it like, yeah, I'm up. And then the next thing you know, that mess drop. That's why I don't trade options anymore. F options.
Yeah, I'm done with options too, man. I'm just, it just doesn't work for me. I like big targets. I don't like being punished for being the way I am. I am what I am, damn it.
Hey, I guess they said they can't hear me on your stream.
They can't. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, okay, my bad. Okay, let me save the sound settings real quick. I don't know. All right, that tells. All right.
Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, but you gotta lock in your screenshot though, for sure. He said I would judge you if you did.
You got to get judged.
You gotta lock it in. You gotta, if you no screenshotter, it didn't happen, right?
Yeah, it's like, man, get your lying ass out of here. You ain't made 20K. Where the screenshot at? Where the screenshot? We don't believe that shit. Then we had to call in an expert screenshot analyst to make sure that it wasn't fabricated.
Yeah. Like, man, you chat GPT that. Like, no. Like, let me check the charts. Let me check your entries. Okay, this may be true.
All right. I bet you can't do it again, though. Where the follow-up screenshots?
Yeah.
Follow-ups.
I bet you can't do it again. That's cold. Yeah, I see Alfred. I see NQ. I'm a little mad that gold ain't really getting that love to the upside right now, but I see it.
Ooh.
I'm watching it.
I got another. I was about to say. I was like, I know I blew that account. I was like, where did that account come from? All right. I went till, dude. I blew all my Apex accounts, my Tradeify accounts. That's why I'm on the Top Step X platform.
What I should have hedged this position. I should have hedged with the NQ, like I did the other day. Remember?
What's that?
But I didn't want to. I don't like trading, especially NQ. She get crazy. I want to trade both of these crazy instruments at the same time.
Gold's not crazy. She's just ruthless. She means what she says. She said gold is that girl that says I said what I said. I said what I said. That's who gold is.
Yeah.
I said what I said. Like Monet Tejada on Power. That's who gold is. I said what I said, and I mean that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could see that drop in gold. I could get filled here, potentially.
Yeah, I'm looking at on the smaller time frames, of course, we're trending down.
I could get stopped out of this. This thing could be trying to come back down to 70. I mean, does 7?
The puts are coming in 320. What's wrong with y'all? 320. That's got to be a hedge. Yeah, I think that's a hedge.
Is it a block? Hold on.
It's a sweep.
Yeah, it's a. Hold on. How far out you are?
I'm out to the end of the month, so.
Oh yeah. Well.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I only got it until Monday because well, I guess that does make sense. I mean, I guess let me look at it. It wouldn't hurt to look.
I think that's they hedging some. Well, they bought it at the ask. They spent 13 and 14K.
It's expiring on the 23rd 24th. Yikes.
Yeah.
That's next Friday.
Dang.
Hold on. When is FOMC? FOMC is on the 19th. I think that's probably why. Don't.
Is it on the 19th? Or no? That's a Sunday.
I just threw a number out. 12 days. Fed watch tool. I think it's on the. I think it is.
19th is a Sunday.
Okay. I was wrong about that then.
Okay.
Oh, the 29th. 29th. Thanks, Alfred.
29th. And they got that expiring 24th. Okay, that might be accurate then. 320 is crazy though.
Yeah.
The puts
I mean,
are...
we had a big move up, so I mean,
yeah. Like I was saying,
and
it's like
a lot of bears got hurt in that move up. A lot of bears got hurt.
Yeah, it's their first
a lot of bears.
Real pullback in a long time. long time.
I think I'm in. Oh, I got stopped out. Yeah, okay. Got stopped out.
Let's see. If we break the low, we break this low here, then I'll close it out.
Oh, you on a NASDAQ or you on gold?
I'm on gold still.
All right, your boy's in that gold play. Let's see.
Yeah, the puts are rolling in.
Let's see.
$395. The puts are rolling in. Dang.
Yeah, I see them. All right.
3. Price at 392. If I got the money. I see 270 on here. Now, if they try to go for 250, that's just crazy. All right, gold. What are you doing here?
Yeah, gold is just super selling off.
But then it's like, oh, okay, gold. You've made your point, gold.
God damn, gold.
She's a monster.
Hey, calm down, girl. Shit. You can bounce.
No. 30 minutes.
No. I'm not bouncing.
No.
And see, this is the type of shit right here is what I'm talking about with gold. Do your thing, gold. Do your thing. Oh, don't do that thing. Don't do that thing. Don't do that thing. I was like, dude, what the hell?
try to clear out 250. 50. Yeesh. Nasty. She's nasty. I do see some safe haven down here, but that bounce back would just have to be ridiculous.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't necessarily know if we get that today. We could,
Bro,
but,
okay, man.
ugh.
Okay. All right, man. All right, man. All right.
Yeesh.
All right, Gold. Like this is kind of
35. Okay. Okay. All right. 235, huh?
man, Gold. Like, God damn, bitch. God damn.
He's a monster. You're a monster. Yeah, that's true.
I've been so caught up in Gold. I haven't seen the remarks game. Wait, my bad. What the hell, dude?
My charts are too dirty.
That was probably Gameways alt account.
Not the alt account.
Muscle Shark or some shit like that. Bully Shark. Gameways alt account.
Muscle Shark.
Muscle Shark or Bully Shark or whatever. Yo, all right, man. All right, Gold. Do your thing. Do your thing, Gold. Do your thing.
All right, let's mark this out. $330. $30. Yeah, I should have known when they were loading their puts. Loading all these puts. Of course, the big money knows something.
I guess I'm just gonna wait until Gold gets a 387, 385, because that's where they got a lot of their orders sitting anyway. God damn, man.
Yep.
Oh no, you already closed out, right?
Heck no.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I'm waiting to see something. I'm waiting to
What
see
are you waiting
something.
for? You don't want to tell her?
Nah, she can't know about it. She can't know just yet.
Hold on, did
7.
hold on, did the NASDAQ didn't fill my limit? Okay, I'm done with the NASDAQ. I'm done. I'm done. I'm completely done. I'm done.
No, sure. No.
I'm done.
No.
That is crazy, yo. She wicked my order, didn't fill the. Oh my. What? Oh my god. She wicked my order, didn't fill it. Okay.
Where you had an order to what, to go long or short?
Yeah, at 775. You see where it wicked it, didn't fill it?
Yeah. I was just looking at that.
How does that like, dude, how does that even happen? That's crazy. How does that happen?
Volatility, Sherm, the volatility. Skipped your order in the line. All right.
He said maybe next time, big guy. Maybe next time. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. 37-point candle in 5 minutes. We got a 17-point candle. Call for 10:20. What's the 20th? That's Monday. Yeah. Monday. 398 call. 10:24.
Maybe next time, big guy. All right. Thanks, gold, for hurting my feelings. Or not gold, NASDAQ. Wow, look at that. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, NASDAQ. Okay. All right. I came over to NASDAQ's house and said, baby, let me in. I had a radio over my head and shit.
I'm sorry.
Damn, gold. I mean, NASDAQ.
Crazy. That would have been a nice. That was a nice entry too, or would have been. Dang. Dang, that could be their next objective if they don't push it here.
Get it. Get down.
260.
Oh, my bad. Tony says gold got him outside cleaning windows.
Look at the equities go. Look at the equities go. NQ. No. No. NQ.
Damn, NASDAQ, it was like that for real? God.
NQ, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have left you.
No, Smith, you did the right thing.
No, I
You
didn't.
did the right thing.
No, apparently not. Huh?
It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step to. Dust yourself. Go says, "Hey man, just dust yourself off and try again." You can dust it off and try again.
This is wild. What them puts at? They knew it too. They knew it and they threw him in there. Okay. Okay. I understand it now. I wasn't familiar with your game. Ooh. Weak low? Is it a weak low? Shoot, don't look weak to me. Yeesh, how big? That's a 55.
I'm looking at what you're looking at on Twitter. You talking about a weak low.
You see
I just
that?
put on Trading View and saw that.
Weak low. That don't look weak to me. Jeez Louise.
All right, I want to take a screenshot of this because when y'all guys tell me how bad the NASDAQ is, I'm just going to use this as evidence one. Right there.
Evidence one.
Look at what she did. Like, dude, that is crazy. I didn't deserve that right there. I didn't deserve this.
Oh shoot. I'm sorry, NASDAQ. I'm sorry. I wasn't familiar with your game. Ugh. I mean, but that's crazy. Block order 394. Damn, these dudes really took it down to 388. They took it down to their objective.
This ain't the NASDAQ. You always gotta think of Monet Tejada. I said what I said. We going to 380. I said what I said. I said what I said. We going to 380. Either you can be on the ride with us, or you can help us fuel the market down.
I wish I was on the ride with them.
But we could be coming to a bounce area, because if you look to your left, you see that breakout happen around about 87. So they'll probably run into 87 a little bit. We'll probably see a bounce here in a few, probably like 420, or 220, 215-ish. But I'm gonna have to probably wait for a pullback or something.
30 minutes. Well, I see a lot of demand down here, so to speak. So I'm hoping. Not gold. Look at it. See the keyword gold got me hoping. There's no hope in gold. But
you know, I was thinking about this morning. Oh, my bad. Finish your thought.
I was just gonna say I want to see them buy from here because I see the demand, but sheesh. What was you about to say?
Shit, gold will turn an atheist believing in God. You'll know that God exists after you get done trading gold. You want to know why?
Stupid. Why is that?
Because gold will make you start to believe in the devil, and if the devil is real, then God has to be real first. Gold will have an atheist believing in God, because there is no such ruthlessness other than gold. Actually, all the metals are just as ruthless like this. They're just all ruthless. They're like demons. Tony said exactly. This gold is the devil incarnated into this material world. It's like, well, shit. If the devil exists, there has to be a God. Yo, hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Stupid.
You say you've been evil for years? Yeah. See, I mean, I knew the bounce was coming.
So many points, though. My goodness. Believe it or not, I've been in worse positions than this. So
Stone face too.
Yeah, and through my pain, Like I said, I was saying this last night. My pain in Nasdaq has prepared me for other for
Since
other
I trade the
things.
Nasdaq.
The pain that I felt and experienced. Okay. Take this one off.
I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. You play in the darkness. I was born in it.
in it. You simply adopted the darkness. I was born in it. You merely adopted the darkness. I was born in it. Meanwhile, while NQ sits here and runs like 500 points. Sorry, NQ. I shouldn't have left you. Should have never left you, NQ.
Well, I guess if Smith had this entry, she probably would have filled him. Bitch. I can't believe gold did this to me. I mean, not gold. Oh, shit. I can't believe NASDAQ did this to me.
Nah, you got it right. Both of them ruthless.
I mean, dude, how do you... dude, it literally wicked through my limit. It literally wicked through it. Like, that's not fair. That's not fair. It's not fair.
Call.
Yeah, whatever, man.
You call on the 24th.
Oh, you know, man, this, you know, I think this might be a push on gold right here. I think.
Yeah, this is wild.
Maybe.
Uh,
Well, I guess we're fighting against OPEX, but
see if they hold this low here.
yeah, let's see what they do here.
Got 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes in this 30-minute candle. 55 points.
All right, I got in with the long. I just have my candle underneath that low.
All the way to freaking damn near. Well, yeah, went to 950, 960. Trying to fight your way back to 25K.
Oh yeah, I went long. I'm long in my X account. I went long. I see this I see this little bottom right here, so I'm gonna try. Actually. All right, yeah, I went long. Okay. All right, well, I'm long. I guess I could just put this on stream instead of. All right, we'll see. We'll see if gold is gonna be nice to me here. You already know how I'm coming. is gonna be nasty. She's gonna be nasty. Just put my stop underneath that low. I mean, that's basically a double bottom. If that shit pushes through that, then I'm looking for a move back to there. We can get it. I mean, we've fallen enough. We can get a decent bounce. We can get a decent bounce. It's just it's going to probably be tough. As long as the Bulls can get past 360, 365, 360 above this high, we should be good for the longs. Yeah. We should be good. And hopefully the Bears is they've had their fill. Hopefully
They satisfied. I was about to say, hopefully they like. I know y'all was getting clapped all last week and everything, and up into this week, but come on, y'all ate and y'all ate quick. Like, dang.
Shit, all the late Bulls right now is feeling it, man. It's feeling it. That's why, like, if gold extends too far, and the trade doesn't make sense, you got to move your limits. Because I know a lot of this is just a bunch of people's limit orders sitting at previous areas of support that got ran through. I'm gonna add 3 more. I'm gonna add 3 more, man. 3 more, and that's it. 3 more.
I think if she can make it past 260.
Come on, baby.
260.
Come on. Let me get a good entry.
Then we can potentially push at least around here. So I'm thinking we can make it past 260. Strong.
Yeah.
Strong above 260, then I think we're good for a little pullback, push, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to add just yet, though. Because I don't want to add just yet, make it worse than it already is. But if you look at my...
Do your thing, Gold. Do your thing.
If you look at my margin usage, I'm only using 1% of margin. That's why it's crazy. $50 on MGC. That's the cheat code right there. We was talking about that last night. You want to grow your account fast with a small account? Yeah, MGC. Because NQ, just because of the margins, $50. $50. All right.
Order filled.
F it. Put that one there.
All right, Gold. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Keep on pushing, baby. Do your thing. Keep on pushing.
2.6. Let's mark that on the board. So we could make it back to the pivot swing.
Do your thing, Gold. Do your thing.
Doesn't look so bad after all. It's not so bad down here. It's not so bad down here. W.
Nah, Gold. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing to the upside.
Double bottom. Double bottom.
Look, I can't watch. She's gonna try to come back to my break.
No, you're
don't
good.
Do that, Gold.
You're good. You're good, bro.
I want to believe you.
I want to believe
I know how Gold is, man.
You're good, bro. You're good.
I want to believe you. But yeah, this is a heavy resistance area. I know the Bears are going to try. They're going to try here. They're definitely going to try. It's heavy resistance. We're just going to probably need to stop.
Good, broski. You're good. If I'm good, you're good.
Both good.
Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Once I saw them puts come in, that was my first clue. That should have got the F out. And I could have rode the wave to the downside. But I mean, they were printing them too. It's like the big money, the smart money always knows. That's why you got to follow the flow. Follow what they're doing, cuz that's crazy. I wonder what the Qs was doing if they were printing calls all day on the Qs.
Let me see. I mean, the calls are kind of coming in with gold. Gold should be good. Yeah, we should be good with gold. We should be good. This looks like they're pushing. The Qs. I mean, they're actually putting in puts on the Qs, actually.
Yeah, I could see that happening right
Oh,
now
good.
because I think we're gonna get a little sell off right now on NQ, maybe a little pullback, but yeah. All right, gold. You know you got to get your get back. You know you got to get at least half the move back up. You got to get your get back. It's time to start clapping some bare cheeks. It's time to start clapping some bare cheeks. Get above this 260.
Come on, baby. Come on. Don't you do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you. Oh, you bitch. Why does she know? Well,
what are you talking about?
no. What?
What are you trying to do?
Why did she do this to me, Smith? Why did she do this?
Oh, your target. Your target.
Why?
Man, you about to get
Don't
that.
Deserve this.
You about to get that target smacked. Don't worry. You about to get this target smacked. I use what Sherm's using, Rutkit, the black box stocks. Really,
Oh my God.
Relax, relax, Sherm. She knows you're stressed. Relax.
I'm not stressed. I'm like, don't do it. Don't go. So close. No. I was so close. Gold. What? No. Oh.
Hey,
Oh
you
God.
you letting her know. Don't let her know.
So why are you so dirty like that?
That's funny.
It's pure dirtiness, yo. That was pure
That's
dirtiness.
funny. That's funny.
Wow. Wow. All right. All right.
Nah, because if the equities start to sell off now, I think we got hope for the metals.
Well, this is how we know the devil exists. There is like, dude, that's so crazy. That's so crazy. Literally point like ticks away from my target, man. Ticks. 8 ticks to be exact. 8 ticks away. Hit that damn target, gold. Shit. And stop playing with me. Hit that damn target. Gold's trying to give me hope. She pushes back up. Give him hope and take it away.
Yeah, Francis, unfortunately, it is a paid, I guess what you call it, software as a system service, whatever. But they do subscriptions, and then they got a yearly. The yearly, I mean, if you think about how useful the tool is, it's reasonably priced, I guess. Because if you use it
that's
properly,
why they're talking about probably going up on the price, because it is a decent tool.
Yeah.
If you use it.
Yeah.
Well,
Yep.
I'm not gonna sit here and be surprised by this, but it's okay. Whatever, man.
The 24th. What's today? 17th. Okay.
Man, that's just wow. All right.
Do-do-do-do-do.
All right, whatever, man.
Nasty. You don't have to do that, goal. You don't. 394 call, sweet. Firing on the 31st, though. Not taking no kind of risk. Like, what are you doing? Having it expire on the 31st. You can have it expire Monday. Yeah,
Like, that is fucking crazy, man. All right, man. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. That's crazy. All right. Well, I mean, at this point, it's really closest to my entry.
Order filled.
I mean, now we kind of have to get past 54, 55, because that just turned into potential resistance for downtrending, lower lows, lower highs. Fuck. Whatever, man. So now my position has to work harder to get my target hit. And I always hate that.
Get up to that pivot. Let's see. Pivot. They use that as resistance is the question. No. No, it takes the Bulls to gather up the strength and rally the troops. Rally the troops.
No, do it the first time. We don't need you to pull back. Hit that target the first time, damn it.
Francis, yes, sir. $50.
Wow. Okay. All right, gold. All right, devil. No way.
Bro, you're good.
Dude,
You sure?
dude.
You giving
Dude,
her
no way,
signs.
because
What?
she took $6 away from me. Damn it.
What? You really complaining about $6?
Yeah, that the past the account. All right, now the account's passed. Yeah. Because I
Yeah.
had my target set for $3,018 to take the commissions, and I was $6 short.
I'm over here down 3K. He's talking about $6.
Hey.
I'm just saying, it's funny.
So I'm down 3K. You can put in about 60.
You get that back in one little trade. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, it is. All right, let me lock this shit out, man, because this shit is past.
Dang, yo.
Make a mistake and do something foolish.
Yeah, you need to go back to NQ. That's what you need to do.
Nah, fuck that bitch. After what she did to me today, nah, fuck her.
All right, we're gonna extend this fib down to the actual low, and I'll leave this one at the previous low. Let's see. Let's let it rock out. Let's see.
All right, so the NQ is now about to come back, fill my order, and stop me out. Watch.
In true fashion.
She was like, "Oh, you wanted me to come back to fill the order? Sure, why not? Why not? I'll fill you, sure. You can count on me." All right.
This is why micros is goated. It's goated. I was blind, but now I see. I was blinded in the past. This is why micros is goated. Like, I would have been done. Account blown. If I tried to hold through all of that in the minis.
Yeah. Yeah, you're definitely right. That's why I try to keep it light unless I have like a 50K account. I try to keep it light. Because I guess the game is building your account until you're able to trade minis safely and have the same, risk management.
Exactly.
But anybody got no time for that? You ain't got time for that.
I guess. Micros are goated.
Oh my god.
And this is the cheat code because of the margin requirement. $50. Look, I'm at 2%. 2% of my day margin. I'm only using $300 of margin. Yeah.
You're
Goated.
absolutely right, Game Weight. I should watch my terminology.
I just saw what he said. Yo. I mean, I heard you say it, but I was just like, you know what? I'm trying to lock in right now. I'm gonna let that slide.
No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna doing that.
I'm gonna let that slide. I'm trying to lock in.
It is locking season.
Thou shalt not pass.
Yes, thou shalt not pass. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, yo. I'll let it slide. Let it slide over here.
Yeah, unfortunately, K Trader, the profit was on the with these X platforms, the profit is on the screen right here. I can't adjust my border because of it just messes everything up. So yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to show it. Fortunately, I wish they had something like here on this. I mean, you can see it on the screen. It's just that it would have been nice if they actually did have it on the side. Or I guess if I have the DOM. It shows me what order I'm in. It shows the order and everything.
Look at a silver chart. See what they're doing over there. Gosh, man. Yeah. Excuse me. I was telling them last night, I'm like, I am not. My account's got to be like 6 figures before I even think about touching silver. Because that could get dangerous. Silver
Mhm.
gets dangerous. And I'm talking micro silver. I'm not even talking E-mini silver. The only thing I don't like about
So,
this, it's got to break
so is
out.
silver Satan itself?
I think
Is
so.
that what silver is?
I think so, man. Silver is
Man, give me
different.
my past account.
Silver is built different.
Mm.
Okay, guys. Bulls, here's what we gotta do. Okay, y'all did break that, but I'm gonna put this here.
I know gold is gonna run through ours. Well, I mean, if it's not official now, I have gold on my mind. Me and Nasdaq officially broke up. We no longer a couple because I keep calling her gold. I keep calling her gold. So we broke up. We're no longer together. This is Gold Anonymous. I think Gold Anonymous is probably a better group
Oh my
because
gosh.
Nasdaq is for gamblers. Gold is crazy because he trades like the ES. So you're thinking, okay, you know, break a structure here. I'll set my limit here, and we should be good. When you find yourself on the wrong side of gold, it just fucks with you. Like it really, like it's so different trading gold than Nasdaq. I'm gambling in Nasdaq, but when gold is, she's pushing my ego button. She was like, "You thought that was a break of structure? You thought, you thought. Oh, you want to chase the breakout? Let me just come back to your original entry and stop you out." It's different.
Yeah.
Gold makes you feel differently. At least you expect it with the Nasdaq. Gold will have you on cloud 9, or she'll have you in complete hell. She'll grab your hand and take you for a ride. And you have no choice but to sit there and accept it. Because I was going to say take, but, you know, gain weight. That would trigger him. And it's like, oh, pause.
Take that. Take that.
Pause. Gold Diddy.
Gold
Nas
Diddy.
and Gold Diddy. Gold Diddy. Or Diddy Gold. Which
Diddy
one sounds
Gold.
better? Diddy Gold or Gold Diddy?
Oh.
Take that. Take that. Yeah, you kind of have to stop out with gold because, I mean, if you don't stop out, she was like, oh, damn, he ain't stop out? Okay. Bet. Okay.
I can keep going. I can keep dropping. Yeah, we know. We know. But I'm glad. I'm glad so far this demand held up down here on TradingView. But not out of the heat just yet. Let me see. They still loading puts. Damn. Don't want to see that.
Yeah. I mean, the puts expire at the end of the month, though. So,
Yeah.
if you want to kind of just look for the ones that expire today, it will kind of filter out all the unnecessary noise because, yeah, yes. I mean, they got some puts expiring today, but it could be. I mean, that's a block order right there, so it could be downside protection. You do see that there's a dark day bouncing off of a dark pool, so you at least got into 394. 395 at the most will go. If we pass 395, and then I guess we can go higher from there. But 395 is it's a big level, so they're gonna definitely reject it from there.
Yeah, I can see that. And then now the equities, they're loading back into ES and NQ. Okay, 377 call, 379 call today. Oh yeah, they just, man. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing with that? These out of money calls. Or deep in the money calls, I should say. But yeah, the big clue for that drop was all those puts coming in. I should have seen that and been like, nope, all right, cancel, reverse. we going with them. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Okay. Because they was just flooding in too. I was like, huh, I see the data. But no, y'all are just playing. Y'all playing around. Y'all lying to me right now. No, the F they weren't.
Yep. Okay. Well, where'd you get that mentality from? Where'd you get that mentality from, Smith?
What? Not believing the data that's
Yeah.
presented in front of me? Well, trading overall, my overall experience.
No.
That's where I got that from.
You know, it's crazy. An ES trader wouldn't say that. An ES trader wouldn't say anything like, "Oh man, a double top and a double bottom doesn't work." They wouldn't say that. There's only one instrument that will condition a trader to say, "Oh shit, a double top work? Oh shit, a double bottom work?" Only one. We know who that is.
Term. I don't know why you got to be such a hater of NQ.
Oh, that's crazy. I didn't say a name. That's so crazy. I didn't say nobody.
Yeah, you didn't say anything, but you're inferring. You're inferring right
You said
now.
I'm implying something? No, I'm just saying that there's a particular instrument out there that gets people to think that double tops and double bottoms don't work.
Oh my goodness. It's too funny.
You know, the truth is usually the funniest parts of the world when you're being told the truth.
Or you're just a clown. Look, just accept the fact we could make money in all these instruments, bro. Whatever the setup is.
Mm-hmm. You know, NASDAQ will. It's like, oh, there's a lot of people thinking that that's the setup, huh? Let me just run them stops real quick, stop them out, and then bounce at their entry. We don't like, dude. You know that every time you enter into a NASDAQ position, you gotta do a small prayer. You gotta take a deep breath and prepare yourself for what could come next. Take that. Nas Diddy. Oh, so you want to get in at that break of structure, huh? I'm not gonna say that word. Take that.
Wow.
Nas Diddy will have you looking like Meek poolside at the pool, in that pool waiting in the water.
He was cooling off.
Take that.
Okay. That top out at 280. 79, 280.
Hopefully, Smith. I mean, for your position's sake, hopefully. I mean, the gold is definitely going to go up. We could get one more pullback though. Just prepare yourself for that.
Oh yeah.
But because it's tapping into that order block at 390, so it's tapping in that order block. So we could get one more pullback, but it's more than likely going to go higher.
Yeah.
We got a breaker structure at 289, 290, so we could see that.
Yeah, and it's fighting this trend line down, so if we can break above it, yeah, we're solid. But I do see that. Yep, definitely could see a pullback.
Is your break even at 380 or 308?
It's 289 now. It is now 289. Yeah.
Because I was going to ask you, well, did you get in at 308? That was your previous break even, or what was that?
You talking about the 308 in purple on the chart?
Yeah, what's that?
That's the midpoint between the high and the low.
No, is it?
Yeah, that's the middle of the set of the high and low.
Yeah, that was that entry that I had earlier that got super clapped.
Yeah, that's the 50%. 50% fib in the middle of the high and low. So we make it back to the middle, that'd be cool. That'd be cool.
All right, so 308 actually might be where the mark, because 308 was, I was looking at Bookmap, and I got in at 308, and then it just super ran 308. So if it's super ran 308, and if there's people still at 308, they're gonna take break even. Well, actually, yeah, yeah. I mean, well, I guess, I mean, it pushed back up to 306. I mean, if it didn't get out of 306, then yeah, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm looking for the market to go back up to 308 at least.
Dude, that'd be nice.
It would
I'd
be
ex-
nice, wouldn't it?
I'd accept that. I accept that. Gamma levels at 393, 395. Equity selling off. Equity selling off. Can we get some metal pump then? Dang.
NASDAQ, dog, she had me. No, NASDAQ, I know your ways. I know your ways. After that wick and pump, so I'm gonna get in around 27. If I get stopped out, then I'm gonna try for 97.
All right, hold on. I'll be back.
All right, we'll see, man. We'll see. Let's see if the NASDAQ is gonna be nasty to me here. Let me look at the charts one more time. Let me look at the structure one last time. So I'm looking at 27 because if you look to the left, you can see all that consolidation here. Well, actually, is really at 25. Or like right here. Or where the hell was that? Yeah, it's really at 25. I'll just put 25.75. It's really at 25. So we got the market rejecting, breaking out, finding support, sweeping, breaking out, sweep, break, and I'm waiting on that retest right there. It's basically a retest trade. That's what I'm looking for right here with the NASDAQ. And if this trade doesn't work, and then I'm looking for this trade right here, 695. We already got the sweep of liquidity. I mean, if the NASDAQ takes out this low, we could see a wick and then a move back up. But if she takes this low out, then the retest short will be the trade. One of the things that I have to do moving forward is stop getting caught up in the siren song of a breakout. I know better. I know better than to chase a breakout. But man, when you see one in real time and you just see all that momentum, it's hard not to chase the market when it's trying to run away. It just really shows that even though we're enlightened human beings, we still have those animal impulses of when something runs away, we chase it down and we kill it. That's why they always say never run from a predator. You always stand up to it because it'll second guess it. Because it triggers self-preservation. It's like, oh shit, this person's not afraid of me. It makes them start thinking about their own existence. Of course, NASDAQ. Of course. Yeah, I guess you kind of have to be numb to it, really. You kind of have to be numb to it. Oh. I mean, it's like, well, you know, I gotta really think about this. I gotta really think about it. And let fear dictate your actions. Baby. Oof. Maybe on both sides, like 61. Nice. 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 I mean, I guess it's just easier that way. It's definitely easier to do it that way. Oof. You about to go? Yeah, I see that your that stuff is coming off. What you had before? Right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a cream on it. But I still looks like I'm able to put it on my back.
All right, NASDAQ. Mhm. Man, it should have been like that in the first place.
Crap, I was muting. That freaking trend line. Got to break out above that. That's crazy.
I said what I said.
Yeah, that's wild.
And this is why when you start to heal, because we all know that if that was a NASDAQ, that trend line would have meant shit.
Whatever, dude. Yo, your NQ slander is getting out of line. I'm gonna have to report you. Your NQ slander is getting out of line. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a day. Alfred.
I mean, that's why I left NQ. I don't gotta tolerate that. Well, I mean, if you look at it, you know, hey, look. Yep, that's exactly right. No pain, there is no gain. You know, that is definitely true, man. That's crazy. It's crazy that one of the rules of life is that if you don't feel no pain, there will be no gain. I think the one animal that represents this the most is, believe it or not, a butterfly. They say that if you help a butterfly break out of its cocoon, it will never fly. Like, how symbolic is that? It won't be strong enough to fly, and it will die. But if you allow it to go through the pain of breaking out of its cocoon, persevering and enduring, after it's done, it will be able to soar to new heights. That is just so symbolic. So true, Fred. So many things. So you got to feel the pain if you want the gain. I mean, another example of that is parents that baby their kids in terms of not letting them ever feel or never go through adversity. You already see what kind of adults they turn into. You see that. But it's funny how the ones that go through so much adversity as kids and overcome it, those are the ones that are changing the future, making things easy for other people. I guess more manageable is probably a better word. Yeah, that's definitely true, Alfred. I mean, how else is your ego gets hit a couple of times? It's crazy that your ego will get into the way until it gets humbled, and then it allows you to learn, and then it accepts a new reality, and then it fights to defend that reality until it gets humbled again. Shit. If you call yourself a trader and you tell me that you haven't been humbled by the market, I'm just gonna listen, but I'm not gonna believe you. I'm not gonna believe you.
Yeah. I wouldn't believe you either. I probably wouldn't even listen to you. I don't gotta hear nothing you gotta say. Like, cause what? Yeah, okay. Probably that 99% winning trade from that video I sent you. It's like, yeah, 99% win. You just gotta keep buying or keep selling. Keep selling.
No. That came out the words of a furu. We gotta listen to those guys. We got to. You see their composure and how confident they are, and how confident they're saying the stupid stuff they're saying. It has to be true. So when you're doing it wrong, it's just the 1%. It's just you're doing it at the 1% time when you're wrong.
Yeah, the 1% that didn't work. Okay.
But 99% of the time, it works. You're just doing it wrong. Whenever you do it, it's the 1%. When the Furus do it, they time the market. It's big gains, small drawdown. Like, dude, I like it when guys be talking about they had a tick and drawdown and a big gain. Like, dude, shut the fuck up and get out of here, dude. Nobody want to look at that stupid shit. You did not have a tick of drawdown. Shut up. You didn't do that. You didn't do that.
That's too funny.
You probably had like a 20K stop, saw it was going in your direction, moved it up like yeah, I sniped this, and then sent the screenshot. That's why we need to have screenshot analysts.
Not the screenshot analyst.
The screenshot analyst. All right, Smith. You should be good as long as they don't take out that low, man. As long as they don't take out that low at 244. This is just a pullback because, like, we look on they're just dipping into this this order block right here. So as long as they don't break it, you're good.
Yeah.
So this man over here complaining about $6. I'm down.
Nah, that was funny. You're like, I need my $6. I'm like, what? $6.
It wasn't about the $6. It was the principle.
Yeah.
Need my $6 back, damn it. I probably might. Well, we'll see, man. I need to cancel all those other accounts. Since TraderFi is talking about they ain't gonna rebuild at the discounted price. Bastards.
Why not?
Yeah, I blew 3 of these accounts though. I blew 3 of these 50Ks trying to gamble gold. I guess I'm not good at gambling gold. I guess I'm just not good at it. Or I just haven't discovered a safe way to do it yet. I can wait for a pullback on gold, and those are usually easier trades, but when the market is trending and we're not getting the pullbacks, you know, I don't like sitting on the sidelines seeing the market just shoot up. I don't like it.
Yeah, that's tough. Like, what was it? Was it Wednesday or yesterday?
It
I
all
can't.
started on Sunday. It was the Sunday Open.
No, I'm talking.
That started
I'm
all
talking.
this crap.
I'm talking about like I wasn't able to get in the market during the day because I actually had stuff to do, and I was like, "Dang, that's tough. It's just going straight up. Like that's tough to watch.
It is, man.
No
That's
pullbacks.
usually where I find myself in trouble.
Yeah.
I usually find myself in trouble with gold when she does that. It's like, damn, gold.
Yeah.
And then add insult to injury, it pulls right back to the original entry and then goes. It's like, gold is humbling me to the point to where it's like, if you move away from the strategy, you're just going to have to feel the pain. How many times do we have to teach you this lesson?
So this is interesting. It looks like say that. That's interesting though.
What I just said?
No, that's something I was just looking at. These charts.
Yeah, because I was like, I didn't say anything too profound.
It's the charts I was looking at. Ugh.
I think I'm gonna keep a Bitcoin chart up too. Why not? I mean, shit, if you're gonna trade gold, we might as well trade Bitcoin too. Shit. Why not? We can have Apex trade Bitcoin. We can trade Bitcoin with Apex with the Apex accounts and just have it purely Bitcoin. So we can trade NASDAQ, Bitcoin, and almighty baddest bitch gold. Oh, what am I doing? All right, let's do that. Let's just do that. Let's do that. Cause I mean we've made so much money in Bitcoin. I just got bored with it, but you know why not? Like why not? Why not? Bitcoin, NASDAQ, and gold. Why not? All right. NASDAQ and gold. NASDAQ and gold.
Oh, I'm tired, man.
Did you go to sleep last night?
Yeah, I tried to. But I
Yeah.
still end up waking up early.
Yeah. You were still in the position?
No, I wasn't.
Oh. All that adrenaline was like, okay, we got enough. Now we need to get back to this grind. Yeah. I definitely was tired. I will say that because I slept so deep. I was physical in my own dream last night. I thought my dream was real. That's how deep of a sleep I was getting last night. Oh yeah, baby. Do your thing. Yeah, I Mr. Smith this morning and told him that I told him that I was just running off of tilt adrenaline this entire week because of just how deep I fell into a sleep last night. I slept until like 7:30 now. I usually wake up at 5:30. I'm pretty sure I can get that. All right, so let me look at Bitcoin. Let me look at Bitcoin. Just imagine holding Bitcoin. Man, this is such a bear's market, man. This is a bear's market. This is such a bear's market.
Should be right at home there then. Oh,
Yeah, I am.
You're not a...
I kind of got bored with shorting the market, so I was like, I'm done shorting the market. I'm done.
It's wild to say. You gotta get your short fixes in.
I mean, that was such a long time ago, though.
No orders up above here. This might actually... There's no orders up above. Only below.
I might actually have to go long on Bitcoin. Well, no, I'm gonna keep my order because we could see a pullback, but there's these equal highs that I'm looking at, and yeah, I might be on the wrong side of Bitcoin. This actually might be a long. This actually might be a long, but I'm gonna trust in the bears here. All right. Oh, I'm in the right trade. So you in for you looking for the short too?
You talking about Bitcoin?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not looking at MBT.
So Solar Trade says that there could be no bear market if you bring in trillions and trillions and trillions of money into the market, into the economy. You say you only trade Bitcoin on the, well, why only Asia? Well, I guess the Chinese, oh, my bad, I didn't mean to say that. The Asian market, I guess crypto and gold is what they like to trade. Because it seems like that's usually when we see the market, or at least the metals, move the most is during Asia, and you might get a little piece of it during the New York session, but yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true.
Yeah, after today, man. When I'm done with this, I'm going back to sleep. My goodness.
Yeah. Hold on, did gold feel me? Did gold just feel me and stop me out? Where was I? Hold on.
Gang, wait, where you at?
Me out.
Oh shoot. I don't think these lo-fi beats are helping either.
What are you talking about?
I got the lo-fi chill whatever beats playing in the background in my ear for the stream, just for some music, but this is putting me to sleep.
Yeah, I mean, it's supposed to relax you.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, wait, what you trading? You doing options or you just buying and selling?
Man, that was dirt. That was nasty.
Alfred said I would be in a coma. Yeah, probably. I could probably sleep all day.
Yep. When the market's awake, I'm awake. Ain't no sleeping. There ain't no going to sleep. Wow, Gold, you did the same thing to me too? She missed me by a tick. All right. Missed me by a tick. You said gold might actually go to 7K. I'm shit. I mean, at this point, 10K gold might be up there with the NASDAQ pretty soon. 30K a bar. That would be freaking crazy.
30K for an ounce would be crazy.
Mm. All right. I think we should be good right here, Smith. I think this should be the follow through bounce. Unless they try to dip for liquidity again, but I mean it's pretty obvious, that low right there. I mean, it swiped the liquidity underneath this low. We got to bounce and pull back. And I mean, the bulls are trying. I guess that's what we can say for right now. They are definitely trying. The question is, will they be successful? Because it looks like the big bulls aren't buying no more. I mean, shit, they brought the market all the way to freaking 40. What the high was what on gold? Almost 44. Actually, yeah. A front ran 44 as per usual of every instrument.
Yeah.
The high of gold right now is 392. And you know, everybody was, I think that's probably why we got that big move down. Everybody was targeting 4,400 or at least close to it. But I mean, that double top, I mean, if I was up after that double top, yeah, 82, 382. Now I got stopped out of that one though.
Yeah, FX, those are fibs. Yeah, you can hear me. Yeah, those are fibs. Yeah, gold is amazing because I wish I would have read the data. Well, I wish I would have acted on the data with all those big money puts coming in and the option side. Could have took this thing short.
Yeah, they were hitting it at 9:30ish. Hold on, which puts were you looking at? The ones that expired today, or were you looking at the ones that were coming in later on?
Nah, yeah, around that time, like 9:30, 9:40.
See, I knew that was a freaking long for Bitcoin. I knew that was a long. I should have took the long. It was the long on Bitcoin.
This one is the... Okay, the one on the right. Hold on. This one is the... Yeah, the plus Fibonacci retracement tool. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see the name. It's this one right here if you search. Yeah, I think you got to search the indicators for it, and it's the plus Fibonacci retracement.
All right, Smith. I guess you should be good. We could see some resistance at 72. We could see some resistance, but if you can get a breakout, we can see at least 85, 285. But I know your break even is at 289. It's gonna probably pull back at 85. It'll probably bounce at around 270, 270. Probably see a bounce at 270 because it's gonna run these stops. So if we can get above that high, it's gonna run those stops, and we'll probably see 302. So you can probably, depending on how long you hold this, you can probably get out for some profits if you don't take it exactly at your break even. Honestly, I would take it at your break even. Don't play around with gold. She said, oh, did I get, hold on. Oh, shit. It filled my order? Shit. Damn it. Damn. I did not mean to take those profits.
Welcome to the house of taking profits, Sherm. I'm glad to see you finally converted and joined.
Well, I mean, I moved my stop. It would have hit my target. That's what the stop comes up for. Once I'm like 2 or 1 point away from my target, it trails it until it hits my target or comes back and hit my stop.
That's
I just
smart.
moved my target up.
That's smart. I love that. I love that for you.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah. I love that for me too. It's a compromise. I can compromise. I'm still adhering to my rule. Either it hits my target or it hits my stop. I'm still adhering to it. It's just that in this situation, I'm not giving back all my profit.
Yeah, I was up like 6K yesterday or last night. I gave back a little. Yeah, I gave back a little bit, but I trailed it and I let it hit the stop. And I wasn't even mad about it. I was like, how could you be mad at? So I took out, or I ended up making like 5,500. I'm like, how could I be mad at that?
You can be mad at it.
No. I'm like, I can't be mad at that.
Yeah, we should see a pullback to there. I mean, 70, 75 is gonna be tough, bro. Just prepare yourself for it. It's gonna be tough. There's a lot of resistance. Either the bears are gonna hold it or they're gonna fold. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. So just prepare for that mentally, emotionally.
I've been in this all morning, all day. You might as well say I've been in this for
You ain't
like...
new to this. You're true to this. My bad. My bad. My bad. I wasn't familiar with your game. My bad.
I just had to I had to throw that out there. Like, I've been in this. I was down like 3K. Like, I mean, I'm still down, but it's a lot better. It's a softer blow. Mm-hmm. But it's all good.
Balls of steel.
That is hilarious. Oh man.
Wow, look at that. Look at that trend line. Look at that trend line reversal. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that trend line right there. So I just lined up the trend, or a trend line going down. And if you saw it, if you was up around, oh shit, I was up around this. I went to sleep. Shit, never mind. Around like 9:20 last night, if you had a nice trend line trade, the first breakout you ignore and you buy the test of the second. And but really, gold. I mean, this is why I like trading gold, because she leaves clues. She leaves the clues. I mean, it's right there. And this is exactly what I look for in gold, is the consolidation, the break, and I want to always trade that pullback, because I know that it's going to take out, it's going to at least retest that high at least. But 9 times out of 10 it's going to take it out. So this is why I'm always looking for this trade right here. So you got the rejection from the trend line. It came back into the consolidation area, breaks out. Not only did we break structure, it broke this high, broke the trend line. They bounced off the trend line, came back to the area, and then it took off. And that was a beautiful trade on gold. Beautiful trade on gold. And then it comes right back to, look at that. And lo and behold, look at where gold bounces at. Literally at a break. Man, you can't look at a NASDAQ chart and see these pullbacks into previous breaks of structure, and they just work beautifully. And look at that. Look at that, guys. How can you pass something like this up? Look at how beautiful this thing just comes back into this area and pushes back up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why my ego sometimes can't take losing a trade in gold, because it's like, I mean, she's not even lying to you. She says what she says. She means it. You don't have to second guess it. All you have to do is trade. Literally. And usually when I'm losing in gold is when I'm trying to go against what she wants to do. Isn't that interesting? They broke that trend line. Says gold made a power move? Yeah. She said what she says. And so now that's what I'm gonna just keep telling myself. When I see a setup on gold, and I was like, nah, she's tricking me. Nah, she said what she said. She means that shit. Oh, isn't that a coincidence? Look at this trend line right here. Look at this trend line. And this trend line goes all the way back to the start of the session. It goes all the way back right here. Look at this trend line. You drew this trend line right here. You got this trade right here. Look how the market breaks out. They tried to hold the trend line. They break it back out. They reject from this trend line coming down. They use the trend line as resistance, support, resistance. Look how the market breaks out. The first breakout of the trend line. And oh my God, lo and behold, man, perfect trend line entry. Perfect trend line entry right there. I know Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is giving me another opportunity to potentially buy this. Because, well, I guess what we could do, because Bitcoin is making higher lows right now. So we could see the market. Oh, I got the wrong one. We could see the market potentially. Oh shit, it's 1040. Oh shit.
Yeah, what you doing, Sherm? No, you ain't supposed to be in the market. Oh, the meeting.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta go, guys. Shit, I didn't even pay attention to what time it was. Okay. But all right, guys. At least that's it for me. I'll paste Smith stream in the chat if you're not already over there. But that's going to be it for me this week. I'm gonna start the stream back up overnights next week. Everything is out of the way, so I should be able to stream every day during next week, or Monday through Thursday. And we'll just come back and we'll look for more opportunities to make some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend.
All right, bro. You too. Yeah, I don't got much to say. Much dialogue. Alfred, yeah, you right. I think what time did I finish last night? I think it was like 12:30, 1 o'clock again, somewhere around there. Got off. It hit my stop, got off, and then it took me a while to go to sleep. Even though I'm super tired, it took me a while to go to sleep. And then finally went to sleep, and then I woke up at like 7 today, 7 in the morning. Oh, you can't find it? Well, let's see. Indicators. Explore community indicators. Let's try fib. Alright, so here's the golden fib, but you're not looking for that one. What? Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. Improved. It's this one. Do I have it? Yeah, it's this one right here. FX. Improved Fibonacci retracement. That's the name of it in here. And then it's on your drawing tool, it's plus Fibonacci retracement. So this is it. It's this one right here. No problem. What's going on, Ivan? Back at it, finally. Oh, snap. Equities. Ah, man. Freaking NQ double bottomed. Got it. Good. The Smith had fun. Yeah. Yeah, gain weight. Oh yeah, give me some money to trade. I'll blow your money. Yeah. I mean, I'll trade your money. Did I say blow the money? No, I'll trade it. Myth Capital. I like that. Myth Cap. Oh, man, I think this might be it. I think this might be it. It's looking like she is not trying to break out. We are at a gamma level on GLD. Let's order above ask. Seems like money's probably flowing out of gold and into equities today. What stock you trading? Gain weight.
Oh shit! I just came back to tell you. I was about to say if it doesn't hold this area right here, 55 through 50, you might have to get out of it, bro. But the Bulls need to hold this right here. But pay attention because you already see that 66 could be a hot spot. You don't like you don't want to hold this thing past 44. Honestly, I mean, I know you're not going to want to do it, but you kind of you might have to put your stop underneath 230, man. I mean, that's just the extreme. I mean, 225 is the super extreme. If it breaks 225, you're never seeing that money again. It's going down. So, I mean,
No, I see 220 on Bookmap. There's orders sitting there, so I do think they want that. I just want them to pop up. Let me break even first before you go down there. Maybe I'll get my revenge on the short. But
yeah, I mean, I don't
fighting
see
for
it
break
like,
even right now.
I don't see it. I don't know why there's orders sitting at 320. I don't see it.
No, 220.
I mean, unless they
220.
You said what?
220 to the downside.
No. I know what you're talking about. I'm
I'm
talking
talking
I don't see
about
why.
No, I'm talking about on Bookmap.
No. Yeah. I see it. No, I'm saying that I don't see why they will buy it at 320. Because if they're trying to buy that, because it broke out, because this was on October 15th, because that's where these orders are probably sitting from. So the October 16th session, it breaks out above 318. It breaks out above 318. It pulls back to 316, or I'm sorry, 218. It pulls back to 216, and then we see the breaker structure. So 216 is the origin of this entire move. It's the leg of this. It's the bottom of the leg of this entire move. But if they break that, because they bounced it at if you look at the chart, when they pulled it back to 216, price broke structure at 226. So that's why I was saying 225. Don't let that shit go underneath 225. They already came back and broke it and took the liquidity underneath 226 and bounced it at 225. So if it breaks 225, why would you buy that? That's a breaker structure. This is gold we're talking about. So that's what I'm saying. I don't see why they're building positions at 220. Now, I guess they can do whatever the hell they want to do. I mean, if it bounces, it bounces, right? But I guess I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Because it's a breaker structure. So, bro, don't let it. Where's your stop at? You ain't got no stop on. I know you don't. Okay. All right. Smith, if I can be a physical risk manager, have to knock at your door, drive all the way down the floor to knock. And close close a position out myself. You'll probably stop talking.
No,
It
I
blocked
just
me on everything.
I just wouldn't let you in.
Oh.
I'm like, oh hey, what's up, Sherm? Wait outside for a moment.
You have to call the SWAT team. His account is being held hostage by a terrorist. We gotta get it. We have a clear shot. Take it. Take it. We have a clear shot.
Take it. Move, move, move.
Move in. We gotta close that position to save the account. It's being held hostage. The trader is on tilt. Move, move, move.
Dang. You call SWAT on me like that? Dang.
We got a SWAT.
That's crazy. Move, move, move.
Move in.
We got the shot. Take it. Hit close. And I'm like, no.
We have a trader on tilt. He won't realize the loss. He's willing to sacrifice all his work.
He won't realize the loss. It's not real until you close.
Hold on, what instrument is he trading? Is it NASDAQ? No, it's even worse. He's doing this on gold. On gold. He's like, hey, it could have been silver. Yo, that's a national. No, if it was silver, the whole fucking blog would have been put on martial law. It's like, oh no, we got to get this terrorist. He's the real deal. he's the real deal.
I wouldn't have been able to survive silver. I'd have been gone.
Yeah.
Been blown up.
Even on the micros.
That is so funny. Okay. I guess I'll realize it. Gold, you hurt my feelings.
Hold on. Let me look at it before you realize it. Let me look at it. Let me look.
Guess I'll make it a reality.
You already know how this shit gonna go. Let me look at it. Let me give you some numbers. Okay.
It's only getting
like I
worse.
said, if it doesn't bounce here, you don't.
Cooked.
Okay, so
it's cooked. They're running these orders down.
Like I said, the most you don't want it under 225, but honestly, you don't even want to you don't want it to get that far. You really don't want it to break that double bottom at 44. So if you want to give this as much room as possible, if you want, I mean, because every level I look at, it's like, man, it could bounce there. You don't want it to break 44, because if it breaks 44, that's a breaker structure. And then price is going to probably try to go down to, like you said, like 220. I mean, like I said, I don't get it. We might get a bounce at 220, but price is definitely, if it breaks 25, that's a double bottom. I don't know. All right, and so we got the bounce here. Well, it's not a bounce. It's the bulls are trying to step up here. They're trying to step up.
Yeah, well, the Bears didn't have to do what they just did before 11 o'clock.
Yeah, that's what makes this. I know it's gonna hurt too, bro. I know it's gonna hurt if, because right now, I think that, because just like Alfred said yesterday, it is OPEX. We have to remember that. The reason why we're getting a big reason why is, and this is probably the reason why we got that big push, because these buyers wanted to hurry up and get to their level before their contracts expired.
Yep.
And if everybody was in buys, obviously the people have to sell their way out of their positions, obviously. But I mean, what's giving me hope, or not hope, but it's that the Bulls, if you look at they're hanging around that 390 order block. They're hanging around there. It's a strong low at 388. They're hanging around that order block. I mean, we can't ignore that gold is making lower lows and lower highs. I mean, we can't ignore that, but it has to bounce at some point, right? All we can do is hope that it's going to bounce here. It doesn't have to go lower.
Yeah, exactly. I had hope when it had broke through this trend line. I was like, okay, keep pushing. Now we just gotta do a little bit more work. But now,
Yeah, gold looks like. All right, bro. Don't let it get underneath the.
we about to realize it. We about to realize it. Make it a reality. Because the equity's going stupid right now. So more money's getting put into these equities right now.
Well, I mean, maybe in the past that might have been a true thing to say, but I mean, gold and Nasdaq and ES have shown that they're no longer a friend group. They all do their own thing. They all do their own thing. Gold and Nasdaq will pump at the same time and drop at the same time. They're not, or I guess how I should have said that is that they're not a part of separate friend groups. They're a part of the same friend group now. They all do the same thing. So gold and NQ is like, when I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Hell yeah. Oh shit. I got stopped out on that. Okay, so Nasdaq just filled my orders. Okay. So my entry at 695 or 697, if y'all was in that trade, I mean, you should be up. I was only down 20 something points. And from that 695 entry, we are now at 900. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Damn, man, I could have been focusing on NQ today. I'm sorry, NQ. I apologize, NQ. I won't do that again. That's my fault. Dang. Instead of getting tortured by gold today. But I didn't react to what the data was giving so plainly.
Huh, that's interesting. Can you say that again?
You heard me the first time.
Oh, that's interesting because when I say that, I'm protecting my abuser.
What are you talking about?
When I say that, it's like, oh yeah, it's my fault because I take accountability for what I did wrong. Because Gold said what she said, and I said, no, Gold, I want you to do this. And just like Monet Tejada, she said, I said what I said. You got a problem with that? And unfortunately, I went against it, and position got cooked. And I say, well, she did give me the signs. She gave me multiple opportunity to break even. It's my fault, and I'm protecting my abuser.
Look, I'm apologizing.
I'm protecting my abuser when I say that.
I'm apologizing to NQ for not even looking her way. Well, I mean, I did, but I didn't want to take any trades on NQ, which I should have.
Why's that?
I should have, because I was already in the position on gold, so I didn't want to double dip or hedge.
Double dip.
Yeah, I didn't want to hedge it. I already did that, and that was super stressful. And I was like, yeah, we're not doing that again.
Yeah.
Dang.
Well.
Yeah, we're cooked. We need to realize minimize this L.
Yeah, don't let it break that low at 44, bro. Don't let it break it. Don't let it break it. He can get nasty underneath that low. He can get nasty as long as if it wicks and pops back up. I mean, I guess gold is gonna still give you hope, but just don't let it break, because that's a death sentence on gold. It is a death sentence on gold. No.
Okay. Okay.
God, hey yo.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Yo. Okay. Jeez, so you found another trend line and double
Bro,
top.
hey. Don't let it reject here at that low. It's a break of structure. Gold said what she said. She broke structure. She said what she said.
No, there's no calls coming in at all to help save it. Yeah.
She said what she said, Smith.
Right before that. Okay, here's the question though. Here's a legit question. Say it does drop to the 20, 30, 25, 30 area. Does it bounce there? Does it bounce?
Let me look.
Does it bounce?
Hold on, let me look.
Because these are the
I
lows.
know you're not going to do chart analysis right now because you're in hope mode.
These are the lows.
Do not let it drop past 25. I mean, it can go all the way down to 200. It can get to 42. It can get to 42 if it gets nasty under. So if they don't bounce it, if all right, if they don't hold this, if they don't hold it, I mean, dude, it can just get nasty. Gold gets nasty. I mean, you know this. You don't want it to break structure to the downside, but because the moves are so big, you just don't know which support level is going to bounce at. And then it's like, well, if I take the loss now, and then it'll go to the next support level and then super bounce and go all the way to your break even. And I understand that that's not what you want right now. I don't think anybody would want that. So, like I said, don't let it go under 25 because it will get nasty. But if you want to play the game and see how they react to 22, actually, let me look at Bookmap real quick, because like I said, I think we can get to 42. If it breaks 25, we're going to 42. Let me look at this. Okay, yeah, Bookmap is, market participants are saying the same thing. That's why, like I said, this is kind of why I get pissed off when I lose in gold, because it's just so straightforward. I'm getting in my own way, and that's why I get pissed off. She said what she said, but she's not doing what I want her to do, so I trade against it. And
yeah, and the market can always outlast you.
Yeah, that's true.
With its irrational foolishness. All right, but I'm out. We realized it.
Huh?
It's all good.
You realized it?
I got out. And now it bounces. Goes all the way to my freaking break even.
He sold? He sold. He panic sold. Pump it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No way. This is a live meme right now in the making. No way. Now I want to see you break. Now you better go down. Now you have to go down. And I'm gonna sit here and watch you.
Don't
too.
revenge short this.
I'm not gonna revenge short it. I'm gonna sit here and watch it. You bet not. All right, gotta change my title. No way. No way. No freaking way.
Why'd you close?
What you mean? Why did I close?
Dude, we had levels. We was mapping it out.
Is that a serious question? Like what? Oh, that took away my money from yesterday. Ah, man. Oh,
yeah, we had a plan. We didn't want it to go past a certain level.
I wasn't willing to let it go that far.
Okay. Well,
now you gotta sell off gold. All the money coming out, going into equities. That's tough. That's all right though. We still up overall, so I'll take that. I'll take that.
Take that. Well, you might, Smith, I know exactly what you're going through. I had a moment like this where actually it was that last day where gold missed me by a tick, and I was so pissed. I didn't want other gold traders to be successful. I was like, that shit better not pump back up. And I felt way better knowing when I came back to the chart and I saw that it continued to sell off, and I was like, okay, that made me feel better.
He said I felt better.
I felt better.
Yeah, now it's like, now you gotta drop. Now you gotta drop price. That was dirty though. That was dirty. Okay.
Yeah. You all right, man?
Yeah, it's all right. We still, like I said, we still green overall for the week.
Yeah. Focus on the good stuff. Yeah, we're still green over. Well, you're green over week. Over the week in your own personal account. I mean, you brought your account up to what? The high was at 15K or something.
Dude, it was at 16 last
I
night. But starting today, starting today it was 15. Yeah.
You grew it from 500. I mean, anybody would kill to have those types of results. I think you need to. Well, Trader Bay, you can't super lock yourself out. So.
No, I'm done. I'm gonna go to sleep because I am tired.
Okay. You mean that?
I do. Scout's honor.
We have a trader on tilt saying that he's going to bed.
We need to do a health check.
We need to do a wellness check.
A wellness check, yeah.
Last time we checked, there was $1,200 in there. Is that still the case? We need to do a wellness check on your account. We have a trader on tilt holding the account hostage.
Do a wellness check on your account.
Just close the charts. Don't look at it until the end of the day, and then be mad if you made the wrong decision. But
yeah.
But I mean, you gotta be completely honest. This is kind of why I do it with gold. You can't trade. You can't. I mean, if you're in a position with gold, you gotta take that loss. You just got to, because she gets nasty. You gotta take the loss.
NQ just pumping.
You got to.
Yeah, you're right though. You're right.
Isn't that crazy that now that you're out of the trade, is like all that bearish resistance is now gone? Isn't that some crazy? Like, dude, what happened to the bears? What you finally get out the shit, like after being in it all day, it's like, oh, okay, he's out. Pump it. Look, where's all that bearishness at? Now you're hoping for a short, and all of a sudden all of it is gone now. What's up with that?
I just want to see price drop to the floor now. Like, I don't care. I'm not looking to short it by any means. I just want to see it drop so that I can feel better.
I just want to. There's some men that just want to see the world burn. Smith's next stream is him with a Joker face paint on. Why so serious?
Oh man, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh man, now this thing wants to go back. That's so foul. Yeah, that's so foul. Oh man.
Shit, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's how I felt this morning, dude. After being up 30, 40 points in gold just for it to come back down and stop me out and blow the account. Because you know I had no stop. You know I had no damn stop. Not after that. That shit blew the account. But I'm definitely going to start locking in, man. I really want to lock in. Really want to lock in. Like super lock in.
Yeah.
And stop trying to rush the process and just do this the right way. I really want to do that.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that cell, guys.
Ah, there we go. That's what I want to see. There we go. That's dirty though, because I could at least made it less painful by getting out of here. Oh, shoot, I could have got out of here. Oh well. Next week, coming back stronger. And yeah. There we go. Yes. That's what I want to see. Drop. Drop this. Dump this scam.
Bears are getting cooked right now, man. Obliterated. Or not Bears, I'm sorry. Bulls. The late Bulls.
Yep.
Our boy Alfred got another withdrawal. Congratulations on your payout, Alfred. Congratulations, bro.
Oh yeah, for sure. Time to take your talents over to that live account, Alfred. The decision. All right, guys. I'm about to call it here. It was fun. It's been a crazy week. We're up on the week. It's my first realized loss in the. Well, no, I take that back. Day one, because day one I took a loss. So second realized loss. Oh, gold. Yeah, I gotta close this out, because if I watch this, it's just gonna make me upset.
Yeah.
But all right, appreciate y'all joining. Sherm. It's always fun.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll catch y'all next week.
All right. Peace out, everybody.
All right, peace.